Hello and welcome to my science tutorials. In today's video, we want to look at some theory questions and answers on algebraic expressions. Now, for today's video, we have this particular question. We have to find r if 5r squared plus into bracket 22.55 squared is equal to 27.45 squared. Alright, so let's look at the solution to this problem. Now, to solve this particular problem, the first thing we do is to write down the problem. So we have 5r squared plus 22.55 squared is equal to 27.45 squared. Right, so from here, the first thing we do is we group like terms. We group like terms. What that means is that we look through the expression we have, we group the numbers at one side, and then the number with the variable also at one side. So in this case, the 5r squared is a number with a variable. So we maintain it where it is, and then we move the 22.55 squared to the other side of the equal to sign. Mind you, if you are moving, you move the number with the sign in front of it. In this case, it is positive. So when we move it across the equal to sign to the other side, it becomes negative. So we maintain our 5r squared over here. Then our equal to sign counts because we have moved the 22.55 squared. So we'll have the 27.45 squared. Then we'll have the minus sign, then 22.55 squared. Okay, now if you look at this expression, the 27.45 squared minus 22.55 squared, it's in the form of a minus b, a squared minus b squared. And if we have an expression like this, we call it difference of two squares. And so we can express it as a plus b, then a minus b. This is how we can express this. So using this understanding or this expression, we are going to expand what we have over here in this form. What we have over here, we are going to expand it to look something like this. Okay. All right, so here we will have 5r squared. It will still be the same. Then we will have over here 27.45 minus 22.55 as the first one, then into bracket the 27 again 0.45, but this time around plus 22.55. okay, so we have 5r squared to be equal to, so we have 27.45 minus 22.55, and that will give us 4.9. Then we have the other one. We have 27.45 plus 22.55, and that will give us 50. Okay, so that is that. So we still maintain our 5r squared to be equal to, now 4.9 multiplied by 50 will give us 245. Okay, so from here we can proceed to simplify our expression. So we have 5r squared to be equal to 245. Because we are finding r, the first thing we do over here is to divide by the coefficient of the r squared. In this case, that is 5. So we divide both sides by 5. The 5 will cancel the 5 over here, so we are left with r squared, and this will be equal to 245 divided by 5 will give us 49. Okay, so we have 49 over here. So now that we have 49, that is not our answer. The question is saying we should find r, not r squared. So we take square root of r squared. Okay, let's take square root of 49. But if we are taking the square root, we introduce plus or minus in front. So the square root sign will take care of the square. So we have r to be equal to square root of 49 is 7. So we have plus or minus 7 as our answer. What it means is that even if the answer can either be positive 7 or negative 7, because if it is positive 7, 7 squared will give you 49. Even if it is negative 7, negative 7 times negative 7 will give you positive 49. So whether it is positive 7 or negative 7, they are all correct, and that is why we are introducing plus or minus in front of the answer. So whenever you are taking the square root of any number, you introduce plus or minus in front of it. So thank you so much for watching. This is the SSE 2000. So this is the SSE 2000 question number 2A. Okay, so this was an SSE question on algebraic expression, and this is how we solve it. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.